Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make text appear and disappear at different times on Instagram Reels. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Let's now start by recording a short video here. And we are done. Now, after recording this video, I am going to add 3 pieces of text by using the text button at the top area of my screen. Then after this, I will start setting these pieces of text to appear and disappear at different times on my video using this timing bar at the bottom area of my screen. Now, I will make the first text to appear at the start of my video by first clicking this text snippet, then dragging and positioning the timing bar accordingly. Then I will do the same to the second text, but this time round make it appear at the middle of my video. And finally, I will perform the same process on the last text to make it appear at the end of my video. Then after all this is how my video will look like. So this is like everything for this video, and if you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.